This week we're going to make Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon's bracelets. We hope you like them! To make them, I'm going to use these fillable bracelets, because we saw them in the store and we thought they were really cool. Let's see how they look when we customize them. They're just like a clear plastic tube so you can see what you're putting inside. For now we're going to make two, one for Gato Rainbow and one for Gata Moon. But if they look good, we might make more characters in another video. We're going to use these gem rings to make homemade jewelry and glitter to add lots of colors. Let's start with Gata Moon's bracelet. We printed these images because you know Gata Moon loves space. I've laminated them and I'm going to cut them out like this, carefully because they're very small. I'm leaving a space at the top so I can make a small hole later. And while I cut them out, I remind you that on our website we have lots of educational resources that you can download. We'll leave you the link in the description so you can see them all. And now we're going to make some holes in the images to be able to add them to the bracelets. For that, I'm going to use a nail and a piece of cardboard and just put it on top and nail it. It's that easy! Perfect, we have the 3 images ready. Now we can add the jump rings, so that when we put them on the bracelet they will be hanging. If you can think of any other way to decorate these bracelets that you want us to try, just leave it in the comments. Now we're going to add another jump ring so that they will be looser and prettier. I will show you what I mean in a minute. But first we're going to fill the bracelet, and since we want this one to remind us of Gata Moon, we're going to use purple glitter. And blue glitter. At first we were going to try to fill it with water, but I think it would have been a disaster. What do you think? Should we try it? We love how it looks! Since it's quite narrow, the glitter colors don't mix and it looks beautiful. Well, it's finally time to put Gata Moon's decorations on our bracelet. I'm adding a few more jump rings, trying them out until I'm convinced of how it looks. Now that I see them like this, I recommend that if you do this, you put the images on both sides, because that way, even if it turns around, it will be beautiful. Even so, we love the results. It looks amazing and it's very original, right? If you're thinking of making a personalized gift, this is a great idea. If you're liking this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Well, let's make our beloved Gato Rainbow. As you can see, we've also printed several images, this time of paint. I'm cutting them all out, although I will only use the paint palette and the brush, so there's not too much stuff. Again, we cut it out carefully, leaving some room on top. And we make the little holes with a nail, as we've done with Gata Moon's. We put a couple of jump rings, and the images are ready. Let's see how they're going to look on the bracelet. Very cool, we love it! Surely, considering how colorful Gato Rainbow is, this bracelet will look beautiful. We added yellow glitter, of course, and now some glitter of many colors, like the ones we used in this sensory bottle we made a few weeks ago, because it looked great. Ready! We leave a little space so that the glitter can move, and we have it! We just add the images that we've prepared of Gato Rainbow and his materials, and it's ready! We couldn't love the results more. It has also turned out super original. And look how well the two of them look together. What do you think? Do you think we should make bracelets of other characters of the channel? We read you! And before we go, today we want to send a very special greeting. This week's reading is for Sofia. Thank you so much for commenting and watching our videos. We remind you that if you also want us to send you a greeting in one of our videos, you just have to ask us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll be waiting for you next week with a very fun idea. Remember that all of these videos are also available in Spanish on the channel. See you soon!